grassy 1 level. So click on our star. Okay, again, we just need to restore a Gaia statue. So let's start by getting our little ducks in a row here. There we go. And well, we've got 4, so merge 3. It doesn't really matter. I should have actually merged it with the one that was sitting there, but so be it. Now we are going to merge a bunch of these little sprouts. That was a mistake. I meant to merge 5. But I want to get a couple of hearts just so that I can get some things healed over here. Mind you, actually, you know what? I can do the Gaia statue right there. Okay, done. And it heals all the land. Life is good. You know how to do the level complete.